a progressive approach to developing locational knowledge in geography using maps. For each year group, there is a world map highlighting locations that have been studied in previous years. From Year 1 to Year 6, these locations are colour-coded so that children can refer back to them easily during geography lessons. There's a simple key that can be used and referred to on each map. There are some alternative versions of the maps where significant lines such as the equator and the tropics may be highlighted. And for Key Stage 1, the 7 continents and the 5 oceans are clearly labelled. The idea for the children in Year 1 is that they identify the countries that are colour-coded on the map as they learn about them, and then fill in the key by completing the relevant colour next to the name of the country. A subtle difference in Year 2 is that this time the key has the colours but not the names of the countries, so the children have to work to identify the countries as they learn about them throughout the year and then add them to the key effectively. From Year 3 onwards and throughout Key Stage 2, the children are challenged to find and identify countries on the world map themselves, and then add colours independently to highlight them. In this example, Norway, Sweden and Denmark have been highlighted on the map and are being added to the key as part of the children's studies on learning about the Anglo-Saxons and Vikings. Another significant difference about the Key Stage 2 maps is that the 7 continents and 5 oceans of the world are not highlighted. This gives the children, at appropriate points in the year, the opportunity to revisit this learning and add those labels themselves. This could be completed as a review task at the start of every year, and then the children can refer back to it throughout the rest of their studies. Children should also be given opportunities across the year to add other significant details that are relevant, such as the equator and the tropics.